कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ki Nongseng kam la jong kilayo ekalat ban Kylli Katba kimon na Riewshemphang kumnu bakinla ban kham penjana shushu ekakam bakilas dang ki Nongseng kam kilayo ekalat ban Kylli na Bhanu Pratap Singh hakabai dei bakrukom song yijing bam lani ka baki ong haka ktian nong wei ka packaging lingba kani ka jing selok bad uni Riewshemphang kilayo ban Kylli bnia kumnu ban pen internet kitiar ayu ki badan kam bat haduk kat no benai kabam kadang long ka babet ban bam bat ki wei pat ki jing Kylli ki baki kwa ban tip nalor ka jing kai hang ni ula ai ru ya kalat bakin Kylli na u ling ba ka WhatsApp chong u.
So my brand name is House of Buddha Studio, and the tagline is Celebration of Craftsmanship. So basically, sir, I happen to make unique customization of products based on made to order. So the main process of it is that the customization is completely different from the priority retail products, and the designer products is what I'm focusing on. So it's per the customer's requirement, be it any sort of design aspect or any sort of uniqueness to it.
I think you are looking good because it is, the studio kind of thing, so you are designing, so celebration of the craftsmanship.
It's good enough.
Good enough. Good enough.
Any other suggestion on what to do? So,
not immediately, because I want to, don't talk, just dikhana hai ki I know, that should not happen. So currently I am not getting much, but I will give you some idea. But you have to give me some more story or brochure of yours so I can get more idea. Because I am mainly agri guy. So in agriculture I can immediately get something, but handicraft, handloom, I am not, so this comes into that. So, but if you said I will surely, give the, आपका sir? हो गया? आपका? Anyone else?
Hello, I'm from 09 Farms, and our tagline is zero base to zero waste. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to focus on chemical-free farming, and as for the design of products,
Tagline is zero?
Zero base, zero waste.
Zero?
Based, zero waste. Yeah, zero waste.
What is zero waste?
So what we're trying to focus in is chemical-free farming, and for products, we're trying to minimize on the discards. Like our focus is to send zero discards to the landfill eventually. So that is our goal. So for example,
what I feel, this one is looking good,
okay.
Zero waste. This one you change because you are zero waste. People may get confused with zero.
There is the in agri farming there is a concept called zero-based farming. So yeah, we're.
I know, but everyone is not aware about that farming.
Okay.
Like that farming is nowadays not many concepts are coming. This but zero-based everyone is not aware, and your product has to become a household product.
Okay.
And you have to. That's why zero-based is a concept, but it's a technical concept.
Okay.
It's not a generic concept. Everyone don't know. So maybe this you just change something, and this one is zero waste. Or यहाँ पे भी maybe you are helping farmers or something you are doing, so that should come there. So you have to send me some more detail about that. So half part you put some other uniqueness. Your tagline is your uniqueness, mainly uniqueness on which you people get attracted. Zero waste is perfect. That zero waste let's change and put something. Because scientific community will understand, but your customer is not only scientific community. Anyone else to talk, please?
Our brand name is The Tea Story, and tagline is One Cup, Many Stories. The reason being, like if you look at from producer point of view, like somebody is plucking it, somebody is processing it, somebody is packaging it, and everybody's life is dependent on that particular tea.
Perfect.
And from
And
the
for that story, every story, you know, if you have 10 stories, Jasmine tea के ऊपर एक का story आ गया है. All story keep changing on the packaging material. That our story of the guy who plucks it, the story of Albert Lingo who does the processing, his life this, Mr. Sangma does this, his life is like that. So story should come and very good. And because tea is very fun kind of thing, so this kind of thing like cafe coffee day, what their tagline is, everything can happen over coffee. So हमारी जो, it was I read somewhere, our weakness is also our strength. Some people say na life in mountain states, in northeast states is a bit tough. Not easy like Delhi, Mumbai and all na. To go from one place to other, during the monsoon, everything, water, earthquakes, all that landslide. So this is not our weakness, this is our strength. That we live here and we bring the products from here. So make something related to that. Eat healthy, anyone will, Bangalore wala bhi, wo bhi kahega eat healthy and all. How you are not, utilizing the advantage Meghalaya.
I have an option like one tagline like Hearts of Meghalaya.
That is also good. Think more. And just give few lines, maybe I can give you some ideas. Well, but your name and brand name and tagline should be something very unique. Meghalaya, you just do some Google Meghalaya agriculture uniqueness and all. Maybe some good points you will get that something is here in Meghalaya only. To put that health from Meghalaya or something. Like don't put much generic down. Much generic. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I actually run logistics in India.
Logistics?
Right, so we run a marketplace.
Online.
Yes, sir. We have our marketplace. We started from Tura and we to show.
Name? What's the name of the marketplace?
Boy
OAL.
Cosmic Instant.
And you sell products or services?
Services. So we make sure we take offline businesses.
Okay. So
That's all.
So what kind of businesses offline?
So we are catering to 4 segments right now: pharmacies, groceries, food, and now we're trying to onboard all the entrepreneurs with their basic products. Good. And probably we'll start with a few other things, maybe writing.
And this will be your products, available across the India, shipping and all, or only
So we're
within?
targeting kind of a super app in Northeast itself initially, so it will be one single platform for both categories. But I actually gave up with the idea for
Why?
So this is the logo for the wine. And the tagline, your best friend. So it's like,
It's looking good. A funny thought coming after 9 p.m. Because if people get attracted and everything start after 9 a.m., who will come to attend classes?
that's
No, it's looking good. Work for that. This is currently idea only.
Yes.
But I'm good. You're a good friend after 9. I will request sir. I'm putting my number here. You can kindly make a WhatsApp group. Those who all want to learn and get connected, come into that group. Give your number to me, and my number I am giving to you here. And my request is. So all that, please come into this. All of you, please come into this WhatsApp group. We can have discussion. No good morning, no good afternoon. Only technical point. And only message. Please don't use for call because call gets very rarely picked up. Like now I'm here, phone is on silent. 10 call come, I will never get time to call back. So write a WhatsApp message, anything. In group or directly, we'll answer that. We as a Northeast Farm Sales Promotion, we can help you for everything related to packaging. We'll send you more details in the group. You require your design making, you want your logo development, you want your lab testing, you want your FSSAI registration, you want packaging material, packaging machines, everything. Even if you want to transport your products, so that all we can arrange. You want to store your products at our go down in Guwahati, that all service we can provide to you. So whatever best possible, we can support. We can support all those things. Those all, you know, we will put in the group. Sir will make a WhatsApp group, all of that. Please join in that, and then we can take it forward. I close here, wishing you all the best, and thank you for, you know, listening me.